U-239 is the entire new generation completely automatic multi-purpose tire changer. A simple operating procedure, the small labor intensity satisfies each kind of low-profile tires to sample. This machine design has the following merit. First, air-operated. The hydraulic pressure double system unifies. Second, higher power evaluation system. Third, central flank positioning system. Fourth, working platform migration system. Fifth, multi-purpose auxiliary help, the operating system. Sixth, demounting head automatic control system. Seventh, operation video delivery system. Eighth, the overall has manifested a user-friendly design, makes this machine to be simpler, safer knock down, and assemble each kind of a 10 inches to 30 inches tires. Operation introduction. Open the control and a power switch. Pay attention to the pump engine rotating direction. The direction has to be counterclockwise. Tire pressing arm switch function. Tire pressing arm moves up and down. Tire lifting arm switch function. Tire lifting arm moves up and down. Central flank forward and a back moving function. Moving forward and back. Pneumatic tire pressing roller switch function, up and down. Reverse switch counterclockwise and a clockwise rotating switch. Rotating clockwise and a clockwise rotating switch. The lifting function of the automatic lifted plate, up and down. Air manometer function, inflate and deflate tire. Movable demounting head function, front and back. Tire demounting demonstration. Move the tire onto the lifted plate. Step the pedal in order to lift the tire onto the central flank. Step the pedal again in order to make lifter replaced. Last but not least, lock the tire with a quick release nut. Around the adjustment center flange, the position causes to press the tire and the wheel rim will follow maintains 20 mm. The adjustment presses the tire controlling switch, which presses the tire to depress the tire to cause the tire mouth and the wheel rim wheel fellow is separated from. The footsteps on the reverse switch foot pedal Transfers while spreads the lubricating oil on the tire mouth and the tire fellow. Use the tire pressing disc and the tire lifting disc. Simultaneously adjust hose the tire controlling switch with the hose on the tire to go against the tire to cause the tire mouth and the tire rim wheel fellow is separated from. The footsteps on the reverse switch foot pedal. Transfers while spreads the lubricating oil on the tire mouth and the wheel fellow. After tire mouth and the wheel fellow lubrication stops rotating. Adjust the rotor, put to the home position. Adjust the roller controlling switch. Presses the roller down to touch the tire fellow and the rim. Then, move the mounting head into position and press down. Adjust the roller controlling switch. Remove the tire pressing arm. Adjust the roller controlling switch. Lift the tire with tire lifting disc. Insert the lever between the bed and the mounting head. Raise head with lever. Rotate the wheel by pressing pedal until the bed comes entirely out of the rim. Put the lever to the home position. Use the tire lifting disc to lift the tire. Rotate the tire to detach the bed from the rim. Put a help arm to the home position. Mounting demonstration. Spread the lubrication onto the rim and bed. Put the tire onto the rim. Put the mounting head into the position. Rotate the tire clockwise. Make the lower side of the tire onto the rim. Adjust the roller. Make the roller near to the mounting head position. Presses the tire to the tire's 2/3. Screws tight the set bolt. Adjust the air-operated fluctuation valve. Then, press the tire pressing roller into the proper position. Then, press down. Rotate the wheel until the tire is fully into the seating. Move away help arm and the demounting head. Install the tire valve into the wheel. Inflate the tire until the pressure reaches the required pressure. There is a deflating button below the air manometer. When the overinflating happens, please deflate the tire. Step the pedal in order to lift the tire onto the central flange. Step the pedal again in order to make lifter replaced. Last but not least, lock the tire with a quick release nut. Tire changer U-239 demonstration completes.